Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1933 Dodge. What were some of the highlights on the engine build here? We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal. Installed a double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer, brass freeze plugs, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. Proper oil pan on there. You have the Taylor ignition wires in red, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. The roller rocker arms are all adjusted and set. Polished intake manifold. Customer needed the straight up thermostat housing. We installed that. Thermostat's installed. Polished intake manifold. Quick fuel carburetor. Throttle return spring. We put the throttle cable ball on there. It's real nice. Billet air cleaner with a washable filter, MST ignition coil, small cap distributor, real important on the 33 Dodge for firewall clearance right there. PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell hose, manifold vacuum fittings are installed for any vacuum hookups, electric choke wires on there, chrome fuel line. We have the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission. Proper tooth count and balance for the 350 Chevrolet. High torque mini starter on there. Chrome dipstick and tube. High flow fuel pump. Heavy duty Russell fuel line. Gas filters installed. All the loop clamps ready to go. Every engine is live run and fully tested for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. I adjust the idle mixer screws on the carburetor, set the ignition timing. It'll be completely dialed in, fully tested, ready to go. I also will be installing the customer's correct water pump that's coming in today. That'll be installed. So there you have it. This is our 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower roller cam engine ready to go. Thanks for watching.